Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, my Patreon family. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. Now, I'm popping on today really briefly to share with you the September freebie, which is a kit that I have created as an add-on for the Autumn's Breeze paper crafting kit, which is available in my Etsy shop. Now, you'll have exclusive access to this for a week, after which it will be available in the Etsy shop. So no one else is going to get it for free but you guys, all right? Now, without further ado, let me just share with you what I've created. And I'll bring the camera down just a bit. So we have double tags. You can either cut them apart or you can cut them out as one. Back them with some coffee dyed paper, whatever paper you want to journal on, and fold it in half. In which case I left one of them with a hole at the top in case you wanted to add some ribbon. There's also 2 stamps there and some tokens, some round tokens. And this is made from a collage that I'll show you in just a moment. And then we have a postcard right there with the coffee cups, the teacups, whatever. And then we have a collage that I've created. So some collage paper. We have some vintage wallpaper. Beautiful in color. And then we also, that's the pumpkin color, and then this is the green. Then we have a very faint colored background paper, some polka dots, green, as well as orange. So, a few ideas. Obviously, you can actually use this as a postcard to say hi to a friend. You obviously can't use these as actual stamps, but you could use these tags for a slimline card, and then obviously those tokens, use them however you use as ephemera. You can make a small journal using this that could go as a cover plate, and these could be pages. So already right here you have just enough pages front and back. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 pages. Front and back would be 12 for a small journal. So go ahead and download this little add-on kit and have yourself a crafty day. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.